Hello guys, I am back again and I am doing rainbow pour today. Shelee has give us a challenge in her group for rainbow, using the rainbow colors for anything bloom or sad. But I'm trying to do 5 days rainbow on different techniques or different way to lay them to do rainbow bloom or swipe. Well, today I'm doing bloom. Haven't decided what other technique I'll go for. So I have got all my rainbow colors ready. I am using magenta instead of red because I just want to try how it's going to work. So what I'm trying to do, I'm going to do all the separate each drop and then blow them. So let's get started. This wasn't mixed properly, so I'm going to go with this one is magenta, so I'm going to do one drop here. Hope they all fit in around. Then orange. Love this spoon, it's ice cream spoon. Oops, that's quite a lot. Might add a little bit more magenta. Yeah, you probably have noticed I'm doing on canvas for a change, not on a heart. That's my yellow. Then green. Then blue. This is DecoArt Sapphire blue extreme sheen. Just do this way. This is going to be very shimmery. Got 2 more to go. So got my blue, which is looks like indigo. And the last one is violet. It's big. It's a bit thick there. So what I do now, I'm trying to get cover this white bit, so I'll put more magenta here. Then orange. Just want to cover this bit. Then tiny bit of yellow, doesn't need too much. Green. And go for blue. And let's just go for this cobalt violet. Cover this bit up. Okay, that looks okay. See, and I am using my white cell activator. Found something there. So I am putting my cell activator in the middle, going to go around like a big puddle. and I'll try to blow 7 times on each color and see how it goes. So it's quite difficult. Three done. One more. Okay. Just a little bit more on magenta. And also move the white all around here. The paint has come back now in the middle, so I'm just going to start tilting. I had to tin my pillow down with Floetrol because it's going on the bottom now and it got so thick. Fortunately, I haven't lost any colors, any of them. They're all there still. So got my yellow here, orange, magenta, violet, indigo, blue and green, all there. Just going to get a little bit down this way. So this is how it looks. I think I have tilted as much as I could. It's not that much thick now, so it should be alright to dry. So I'm going to leave as it is now, and I will give you one close look at this as well. Thank you for watching, guys.